how to add music to WhatsApp status. So let's get started. Even though there is no built-in feature in WhatsApp to add music to your status, we can add it using the CapCut app. So here, as you can see, there is no option available to add music. Now all you have to do is go back to the home screen, and this time simply tap on the CapCut app option available there. Once inside the CapCut, tap on the new project option available at your screen for the newer project, or you can also tap on the previous project if you want to add that in WhatsApp status. So I'm tapping on this. Now here all you have to do is, if you are new to CapCut, then you can see there is sounds or music option available at the bottom. Simply tap on it. Now here you can browse through CapCut library and find any song you want, or you can also tap on the file option available there and extract the video as audio, or you can also link your CapCut with TikTok and use TikTok new trend songs or any according to your preferences. So now once you get the song of your choice, then simply tap on the plus icon available there and add it to your project. Now after you are done with your song, then all you have to do is tap on the export option available at the top right corner of your screen and export it to your phone, and simply save your project with the songs added here. Now once it is saved, simply wait for a few moments, and once it is saved, all you have to do is go back to the home screen and tap on the WhatsApp app of yours. Now once inside the WhatsApp app, all you have to do is tap on the updates option available there and go to the status. So here, browse through all your photos and videos again and choose the song you recently downloaded from CapCut with the video and trim it, and all you have to do is tap on the green icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and post it to your WhatsApp status. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.